Hi, hello everyone. My name is Ping Maroney, and I was born and raised in China. And then in 1999, I came from Japan to first time to New York, and I really fall in love with New York. And then I pursued my dream as an artist, and then eventually I became a art and Mandarin teacher. You can see I taught many school, private school and high school, public school in New Jersey. Currently, I teach in Warwick High School. I also I went to school, of course, in China, but then I went to Japan and studied Japanese. I graduated in the Japanese Kyoritsu Joshidai. And my passion is art. This is my painting. Before I became a teacher, and I did a lot of house painting in New Rochelle, and I did this on the YouTube, and I really love the landscape. And this is the Finger Lake. I did a lot of painting in Finger Lake, and I graduated college in New Rochelle. So this is the painting what I did when in China actually, and after I got married, have three children, got married, and then I decided to switch my career, and I started teaching Mandarin. And this is another fun, easy Chinese character I made for my students, and because the Chinese language is a pictograph, so it's really, really easy for them to learn Mandarin. So from a pictograph, starting pictograph, and that's the literally you can see it's a pictograph, and it's really interesting to teach Mandarin using my artistic skill. And this is the character prison, and it's a really fun. And the reason I'm taking this class, I want to learn more new technology, and so help me be a better Mandarin teacher. And when last year, my Mandarin class student, we made a movie. My student won the first prize, and you can see this me and technology class teacher. We work together. My student win the first prize from NYU and Mandarin Learning Mandarin program. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, and because I need more minutes, and so I have one more minutes, and then I can. This is the painting I did in Japan, and so this is the acrylic painting, and this was when I was young. I was a very teenager in China, and this is all the. It's a watercolor painting I did when I was in China, and I literally learned how to paint and draw in China. Although I got a master degree studio art from college in New Rochelle, and this is a watercolor painting. And in China, they really teach. My art teacher was very classic. He learned his art in France. So that's what I learned. My painting it's very representational, realistic. Right now I live in beautiful Greenwood Lake. Oh, this is another. I did a mural of Greenwood Lake in Greenwood Lake Public Library. I did a history of Greenwood Lake. This is the New Rochelle. A customer commissioned me painted the tile for her kitchen. This another did a customer and did a mural paintings in her bathroom, and that's another bathroom. I do all kinds painting, and this is another client. She commissioned me did her bathroom mural, and that's it. Thank you. Oh, that's the silk painting, and I taught the public library adult program, using we painted a scarf, and I also painted silk fan, and for Father's Day I taught my students do painting on tie, and this and the tie and clothing.